Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is BTS RM and Hwasa's fortune harmony analysis. There has been a request from overseas YouTube subscribers about the fortune combination of RM and Hwasa. RM and Hwasa's fortune itself is so unique. They were definitely their own colors. What kind of fortune would it be? Let's analyze it together. RM is a jewel in fortune. It's very delicate and a little rough, but it's very intelligent, and it shines everywhere. Hwasa is a beautiful flower. Flowers like to be together, adaptable, and always want to grow. Jewels are also likened to a sword. Sword cuts down when it meets a flower. Stage 1 is not a good meeting, but RM has a letter in his fortune marked with blue and pink. It's a word that makes him feel more attractive as you look at it, and at the same time it means popularity. The letters that play a good role are in a strong position. Hwasa's letter in pink means popularity. They are all full of charm from their fortunes. But their fortunes were so individualistic. First of all, RM is gathering well all the energy of fortune flower flows and marks the stars. The energy of fortune flows naturally like this, and that's what RM's fortune is like. There is a lot of energy needed for fortune. First of all, input energy is good for learning and accepting information. It seems to be the source of his ability to study English hard. There is also the energy of art, and finally, it comes down to the words meaning, women, and wealth. That's a good fortune. RM makes good use of the knowledge and information and eventually leads a rich life as a fortune. But he has a good academic capacity. So I recommend you to read a philosophy book. Otherwise, you can sometimes think about whether I'm doing well. I hope you establish your own philosophy that serves as a standard for your life. And Hwasa's fortune is very special. It's a structure where everything but one letter is gathered by her own energy. It is a fortune structure that is very intelligent in physical activity, wants to show off her skills, has many talents, and prefers to work together. She's full of confidence. You and the other letter are the energy that mobilizes your fantasy imagination. That's great, but your ego is so strong that it would be better if you made a few empty spaces to accommodate other people. Their fortunes are so wonderful, but the fortune structure is too different. Their fortune harmony will be given 79%. I hope you succeed in your work and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.